Today, we have a special tour. We're touring a Civil War era home located on a 4.5 acre estate lot in historic Spencer, Indiana. Let's take a look. The home is 3 levels and a cellar. It's a High Victorian Italianate design, and it's a beautiful brick construction. It's in impeccable condition. 4.5 acre estate sits on a hilltop overlooking the White River and the surrounding town. There is a post and beam barn, there is a summer kitchen, and a carriage house that's been finished as a rental. The main entry features original stained glass and a beautifully created turned stair. The parlor on the main level has a beautiful fireplace and a beautiful bay window. I'm impressed by all of the shutters and all the original hardware that's still available. The library with the volume ceilings and the beautiful built-ins is adjacent to the foyer as well as the dining room. This is the formal dining room. There are also secondary doors that lead out to porches to take in this beautiful view. Of course, this is the current kitchen of the home. There was a summer kitchen towards the back that we'll be seeing as well. Captain Beem was said to be the first college graduate of Owen County, Indiana, and he was an 1860 graduate of the Indiana University Law School. This home is a beautiful testament to everything he created and his family's life. There are 4 upper level bedrooms and modern bath. It's remarkable the condition of this home with the transoms, the tall doors, the beautiful millwork. This is one of the 4 bedrooms. The back of the home has the modern bath on the upper level. There's also an extra bed area, a secondary stair, plus a stair to the upstairs tower. In the exposed 3rd level attic, there's access to the tower that was restored and has a view for dozens of miles. The summer kitchen has been totally renovated and has been used as a conference space. Let's take a look. The summer kitchen has a beautiful space, fireplace with built-ins. There's also a kitchenette and a full bath. The grounds are beautiful on this house, also the connectivity between the structures. There's a beautiful glazed tile that was salvaged from Wabash, Indiana, that's been placed here, and it looks organic to the house. The post and beam barn is fantastic, extra space, wonderful storage, and beautiful carriage doors. The carriage house, which is also on the 4.5 acre estate, has been thoroughly renovated and is occupied. Plus, it has a great adjacency and connectivity to the main house. The lovely setting of this estate home is perched on Hillside Drive, and you can see for dozens of miles. For additional information, please contact me, Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com, at FC Tucker Realtors in Bloomington.